today we are celebrating that woman, that pretty woman, that woman with brain, the social capacity, the woman that knows how to elevate women, the woman that knows when the children are crying, the woman that has helped the women to move to the next level, that woman that taught us that giving is one of the things that she read from the Bible. That's the woman that has been able to bring women across the 18 local governments, across Nigeria, and across the world, and take them to the next level. Dr. Mary, I salute you. Before now, they call you capacity. That capacity is not by accident.
We are here today. It is not necessary because of magic. It is because we are here to celebrate one of our Amazon who has actually done well in her career. Because there is an adage which says that during communal work, community work, that is when you know a child that can walk. And it's from a nursery, you know the farm that will do well in the farm. Looking at her beauty, the endowment, naturally through the parents that God gives to her, you will know that in any assignment she is assigned, she will deliver. I don't have any other of doubt whether she's going to deliver or not, because I know even before this nomination or this appointment, she already have a network which goes across the globe, not even Edo State. We are talking about global network. So for such a woman of virtue, a personage extraordinary, an Amazon that can be likened to great women that we have seen in this kingdom, like India, the mother of Oba Esige, the Arewa, the mother of Oba Akinzwa, our living legend Desi Danjuma. So it is not by mistake that today Dr. Mary Alile is the national woman leader of APC. I am very confident in her ability, because when you see her speak, you will know that somebody is talking. And when you see her dance, you will know that somebody is dancing. And when you see her walking, you will know that somebody is walking. So what else will you describe a woman of this nature? She's a God gift to us. Not only in those days, I mean the whole Nigeria. Thank you very much. Thank you. My very respectable, brand new, digital, delectable, woman of substance, presentable, sagacious, beautiful, classy, digital woman leader, Dr. Mary Alile, PhD. And a very amiable philanthropist, husband here present, my very good friend, my brother, my friend, Honorable Pius Alile. The game changer. My state woman leader, Madam Bessie Okoro. Party chief name and leader, former APC chairman, Honorable Saturday Oluki, Governor. Please permit me to recognize my former colleague, the mother of our national woman leader. We were together at the state school when she was the senatorial woman leader of our party. I was the state leader. The mother of our national woman leader. Distinguished ladies and gentlemen, we are here today. Let me say for people, number one is to come and thank God. Because in any situation you find yourself, you must give God all the glory and give Him all the thanks. Whether good, whether bad, continue to thank Him. And if that things not come to not coming to us in Jesus' name, that apostle in the mighty name of Jesus. And we are also coming to celebrate this very religious woman, a spiritual woman, a political builder. When the woman leader, our state leader came on board, she sang one song. She said she can see everything turning around. She didn't say turning around for Akwa Ibom, or for Kaduna, or for Sokoto. We know our woman leader cut across every state in Nigeria, but everything turning around for Edo State women. Praise the Lord!
Okay, woman talk to woman. I want to say thank you. I want to appreciate every one of you. Since I came into Edo, I can tell you that Edo is currently the top of Nigeria. If you want to clap, please clap very well. Because everything that has been happening in Edo since on Thursday, all my colleagues have been following me bomber to bomber. And I want to congratulate Edo State. I'm not taking this person, I want to congratulate Edo State. Because we have been waiting for so long for this enviable position, and now we have gotten it. And I want to say categorically that we will not take this for granted at all. I want to say categorically that now that we are on that high seat, we will do everything possible to make sure that we deliver on the agenda. We will do everything possible to make sure that we keep ourselves, Edo State, and the other 35 states and FCT into the agenda of the renewed hope. First of all, I want to appreciate His Excellency, the Jagaban of the whole universe, the President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, His Excellency Bola Tinubu, and of course I want to appreciate the First Lady of the country, the most beautiful woman. I want to appreciate her for giving us the opportunity to shine. We do not take it for granted at all. And I want to say that the agenda of His Excellency, the renewed hope agenda, is what we are going to fly and we are going to run with. I want to say therefore that the renewed hope of His Excellency, President Bola Tinubu, is for everyone. So we want to make sure that the renewed hope gets to the woman in the village. We want to make sure that the renewed hope gets to the woman in the city. We want to make sure that the renewed hope agenda gets to the woman in the farm. And how are we going to do this? going to go there flagging our banner of His Excellency and the renewed hope, and we are going to take it to them one after the other. Now, is this a very huge task? Of course it is. We are talking about 36 states. That is why. Listen, that is why we are going to go to every state and use the women in every state to deliver the agenda of that state. So in order for us to be able to do this, we are going to raise women in the 36 states of Nigeria. As I'm the 36 states and FCT, as I'm standing here now, I can tell you that I've already set the ball rolling. In the 36 states and FCT, I think about 2 days ago, they have received my message via the State Women Leaders Forum, and I have tasked them to send names of representatives, women that are movers and shakers of their states, women that can reach the grassroots of their states, to send the names so that we can task them with the job that is at hand. Because Edo will do things differently. In order for us to get a different result, and in order for us to get a better result, and in order for us to get the best result so far that any woman has ever gotten on this seat. So I want to charge you therefore that we must work together in unity. We must work together in one accord. If they didn't call you today, they will call you tomorrow. So we must come together as a team and work as a team. I know very well that the position is not something that we are going to play with. We are going to work very hard because the whole world, I want to say Nigeria, but the whole world is looking at us. Because if you agree with me that we are now living in a digital state, a digital moment, where what is happening here is being shown in Japan, it's being shown in the United Kingdom, it's being shown in the United States. Therefore, I can categorically and confidently say that the whole world is watching us, and we cannot fail. So together, I need your support, I need your prayers, I need your cooperation. We can deliver, and we will deliver.
Listen, any condition we have to give praise to God. And I should be one of the happiest persons now for what God has just done. Because we didn't expect it. It just come on a sudden. Today, that those upper hand that did it, that got me, or took a guide them, I think they love that. Jesus name. So we are all happy with everything. Because it's one of the best things in life. To be happy when you feel glory. It's glory. Glory is here as well. So I'm very happy. Thank God for it. God bless you.
Well, I think it's she's one of our Amazons, a woman that is dependable, and you can see the acceptance in the face of everybody in the world. It shows that she has that courage to be able to deliver in her responsibility. Although there is no nomination that you would do that people may not be agreed, but you discover that at the end of the day, everybody are on a consensus because the virtue we are seeing in her is what the people can actually determine by her action. So that acceptability is what Gladys had. Because of the fact that she's coming from my local government, but she's accepted because she has a network also across the nooks and crannies of the state. So it's not a surprise. And the people of my local government were happy because we are producing a woman that has a national acceptability. So that is why my local government were happy and the state is happy.
that before you go, sir, your local government is just on top. NDDC, you are still from your local government. What's the secret behind the success of your local government now?
Well, that of NDDC is more like a statutory issue. It is made for 3 local governments, 3 oil-producing local governments in Edo State, which is Oriomo, Ipobaha, and Ovia Northeast. So if it is not in Oriomo, it will go to Ipobaha. If it will go to Ipobaha, it will go to Ovia Northeast. So no other local government, nobody should see it as a party gift to a local government, that of the NDDC. It's not a party gift, it is based on the resources that is abound in our local government. That is why that position is there. Ipobaha once occupied that position, Ovianovic have once occupied the Sopa deck in Edo State. So you cannot see that position in Oredo, Uhuode, somewhere, or Esa Central, because there is no oil. We are talking about what brings revenue to the state. So it's not about we are on top. And the position she got today, she got now the nomination as the national woman leader of the party. It's a state issue. And we have to look at somebody who has the pedigree. The leadership of the party look at somebody who has the pedigree, who has the reach out. And that is why she was selected. It's not about because she's from Oriomo. It's about because she has the capacity to deliver. So we're talking about somebody who has the capacity. She's a PhD holder, and it's a very rare feat, for a Edo woman. So she's one of those Edo women that have actually done well in her career. So she needs to be encouraged. So coming from a local government is a boast for the people of the local government and the people of the states. So you cannot ascribe it to think that, Oriomo got NDDC, Oriomo got this. That is not the issue now. We have once had national chairman of the party, we have once had senators, we have once had governors, we have once had deputy government coming from local governments. So it's a continuation of happiness, a continuation of gladness, of rejoicing. It's just a continuation of what started after our inauguration. So I am elated, I am happy, I'm glad that people are here to celebrate with her, to celebrate with us. But above all, it is to begin to kickstart activities that will promote the well-being of APC women and promote the well-being of our people, the party and the people. It is to kickstart it, and that is what is happening. Now you can see what she said just now, that she's appointing 36 representatives, and that's, I would say, a special assistant to her, including the LCT, to support her to carry out her plans, her programs in various states. So her plan is to carry everybody along, carry every state along, and carry every community along, and carry every zone along. And that is what she's doing. So whatever her programs are, she's already putting structures in place to make it happen. And that's what she's already planning, and that's what she's already doing. And I know she's going to deliver.
My name is Dr. Mrs. Mary Alile. I'm the APC National Women Leader. And we're here for Thanksgiving reception. I had a Thanksgiving in church today to thank God for the new position and the new elevation. And we're here at this venue. The Thanksgiving was held at Living Glory Ministries in Edo State. And we are here at this venue for the reception of the program. I just want to appreciate God for the things He has done, for great things He has done. And we pray that He that started a good work in our life, He will complete it as well.
Today, the National Woman Leader, Dr. Mrs. Pastor Mary Alile, also going to all join to celebrate God for what He did. That's why you see all these beautiful women of APC don't come out. Don't say they will not celebrate God, also celebrate our national woman leader, Dr. Mrs. Pastor Mary Alile. And wetin you wan do now, and wetin you fit dey expect to do.
Thank you.